Today we're talking about Acebeam's H15 headlamp. If you spend any time in the great outdoors, this is a simple, powerful, and versatile must-have. And if you were to design your own headlamp, this would be how you'd do it. Start with the flexible and adjustable head strap. This creates both comfort and security. Follow that with a single Cree XHP 70.2 LED, a state-of-the-art orange peel reflector, easy to use one-handed mode select, throw in a rechargeable battery and you've got it. Acebeam already made it for you, of course, with all of those features and more. Think of it like a multi-tool. Use the Eco mode for night reading, use the low or medium modes for cooking, camp chores, or hiking, and use the high mode or turbo mode for search, or when you want to be seen, use strobe or SOS. Outputs range from 10 lumens all the way to 2500 lumens. Keep this one in your pack, your toolkit, your car, or even that drawer in your kitchen. It's that handy. Get yours at goinggear.com.